Mistplay and AppStation both reward users for playing mobile games, but they don't always offer the same games, rewards, or overall experience. The better choice depends on how you like to play and what you expect from a rewards app. By the end of this video, you'll understand the biggest differences between Mistplay and AppStation, how each platform works, and which one is the better fit for your gaming habits. Start with how each app earns rewards. Mistplay rewards users for launching eligible games through the app and completing qualifying gameplay, or in-game milestones. In-game milestones. As you continue playing supported titles, you earn points that can later be redeemed for available rewards. The app is built around discovering new games and encouraging longer play sessions. AppStation follows a similar idea by rewarding users for playing featured mobile games. Like Mistplay, the available games and reward opportunities change over time. The titles you see depend on factors such as your device, region, and account, so two users may not have identical game libraries. Now compare the overall experience. Mistplay places a strong focus on tracking game progress and recommending new titles based on your activity. If you enjoy trying different games instead of sticking with one, that approach can make the app feel more engaging over time. AppStation is also centered on mobile gaming, but the available offers and game selection may differ from what appears in Mistplay. If one app doesn't have games that interest you, the other may provide a better selection, making it worthwhile to compare both before starting a new game. Another difference is flexibility. Because both platforms regularly update their game catalogs, neither app is guaranteed to have the better selection all the time. A game available in Mistplay today may not appear in AppStation, and the opposite can also be true. Checking both catalogs before committing to a new game helps you find the offers that best match your interests. If your goal is simply earning rewards while playing games you already enjoy, the best platform is the one that currently offers those games on your account. Since availability changes over time, reviewing each app's catalog periodically gives you the most up-to-date comparison. Here's the quick recap. Both Mistplay and AppStation reward eligible mobile gameplay. Both update their game libraries regularly, and the better option depends on which app currently offers the games you actually want to play. If this comparison helped you choose between them, subscribe for more reward app comparisons, reviews, and practical troubleshooting guides.